is officially the day that I begin tearing up this rug to create the ultimate skate studio. I did have 600 gallons of water on this floor. There was a few unfortunate events, more than several gallons of water have spilled on the floor. So I'm kind of a little bit worried that there might be some mold. I've never done this before, so please don't judge me. I'm fragile. I'm just gonna cutting a really potentially moldy pizza. Interesting. It's a little bit ratchet. Holy stains. Look at that. Oh, I love to think I'm like Superwoman. I'm really not. So I'm gonna cut the rug in half, roll up the half, carry the half out, and then do the other. Yo, what? I did that! It looks like underneath the foam it's just plywood. I'm gonna go ahead and take it up, and then we'll have a look at the plywood. So I pulled the foam up, and sure enough, mold. I've actually scraped it for over an hour now. It was like black, fluffy disgustingness. I'm gonna scrub the floor, clean it up. I scrubbed the mold for several hours, and then I ended up sanding the whole floor. We just had somebody come over and measure the room so that we can put hardwood flooring in here, but it looks a lot better. Okay, the final reveal. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is crazy. It's like a whole new room.
This has been a journey. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video to see what I think of the floors and to decorate my skate studio with me. Hit follow.